Captain Scott. We're out here on the 3rd of July. It's our morning trip. It's a beautiful day, and I think we'll catch a lot of catfish today. We'll let you see all of it as it happens. Okay, we got the first fish on of the trip. Looks like it's going to be a pretty good one. Giving him a decent fight. These guys are brave enough to sit out here with me in May when it was about 50 degrees and raining, so it's a lot better day today than what they had the last time they were here. Alright, we got two of them on back here in the back. This is kind of what I'm used to here. We just got one in the net up front. I just sat it down and started recording these two. It's basically a triple because these two were hooked while I was still landing that one. Yeah, we got two of them back here. That one's just pulling drag. We got a couple big fish here. There's a big one up front. Been a lot of big fish here lately, and today's not going to be any different. I'll probably scoop both these up in the same net. Okay. This be a net full when I get these two in there. There comes a commercial fishing boat coming at me. He drags a big net. He's been doing it since the 70s, and fishing's still this good, so it obviously hasn't hurt anything. Yeah, whatever they can get. A lot of catfish, but they have a market for all of it. Carp, drum. A lot of that fish goes into pet food, but catfish goes to the grocery stores and restaurants. They got one up front too, so we've got three of them right now. All right, I get these two first. I got to get the net. So I ended up 4 fish at once, 3 really nice cats and a freshwater drum. They don't really want their picture taken with the drum, but just fine. They're still fun to catch. I can't eat every fish I catch anyway, so it doesn't matter that some of them aren't much good for eating. But these are 3 big cats, all in probably 12-13 pound range. There's another one coming in. That's good eating size there. Another one coming in here in the back of the boat. Day like today, there should about always be one coming in somewhere. Another good sized one to eat. We got some of those big picture fish out of the way early. Now we're catching some for the cooler. Yeah, she's got another one on back here. It's a little bigger than her last one. So I got probably have to have the net again for this one. Yep, I think you had a bite on that rod too. Yeah, a little nicer fish. We got one again. gonna be a little smaller one this time. Yep, just sandwich sized. Yeah, one up here in the front, two up here in the front. They got two guys hooked up right now. I think both these are going to be cooler sized fish. One may be a little bigger than the other, but oh, that's a drum. That's not what we're looking for. That's a good one though. Yeah, filling that cooler up. He's getting looks like maybe a medium-sized fish. Of course, they surprise you sometimes. Sometimes they come up a little bigger than you expect. Trying to get where I can. And a drum. Oh well, we won't be eating that one. Yeah, here comes another fish. That'd be a real nice one for the cooler right there. Just get a nice fillet off of that. Yeah. We're filling up the cooler. There's one there. Did you get yours? You miss yours? Got one in the back too. She's got one back here. It's good. Yeah, the front of the boat's got some action again. Yeah, we started out with 3 big ones, and now we're just filling up the cooler. But there'll be some more big ones here before long. Yeah, this looks like a bigger fish. A little bit anyway. Yeah, just a little bigger. Make a nice fillet. Yeah. Another little one coming in. It's just a matter of time though till one of those big ones grab a hold of it. Yeah, that rod seems to be been a little better, and he's got one on over here too. So, yeah, just another nice sized fish for the cooler. Same with that one. Now this is pulling a little bit of drag. Yeah, they're gonna need the net this time. Said she's the one caught the big fish last time they were here. Those big fish just like her. That's gonna be good. This here's giving her a workout. Keep going one side of the boat to the other. Yeah, you might have to raise your rod tip up and then just reel on the way down. That's it. Stop and raise up, and then just reel as you're going down. When that reel keeps squealing like that, you're not gaining any line. There you go, beautiful fish. Oh, beautiful fish. That's another one up over 10 pounds. This might be another fairly decent fish. Medium sized, I'd say. Of course, sometimes they seem like they grow on the way in. It could be a big one time it gets to the boat. Yeah, well, it could be too. Yeah. The big catfish do. Smaller catfish will. Yeah. Yeah, it's hard to tell yet. It could, yeah, it's a big cat. Nice thing when you come up that far from the boat, you know it's a cat, because the drum usually don't come up back like that. Yeah. Big old male. Now.
Hey Chris, does this make up for anything?
Another big cat back here, big male. It's a good fish.
I don't know.
Because
you weren't watching.
They got a big drum up in the front. So we're catching fish all over the boat. She's back on another pretty decent fish. Probably still be small enough to, oh no, it's a drum. Oh well, at least they fight good. Now we got a double going there, side by side. We're back here and you can see them both. One up, one of them got off. Got another one behind me too. It's had two real nice eaters. Both these, yeah, just a real nice size to eat. Yeah, I think we might have a little better time. Not that there's anything wrong with those other ones, but they're all good. Some just better than others. Got some pull to it. Yeah, that's a good fish. Try to get to see him one more time here, and then I gotta grab the net. There he is. That's a good fish. That's almost 10 pounds. That's a nice one. There, looks like a pretty good sized fish. Giving you a fight anyhow. So you're Scott?
Yeah.
Well, you got to be a good fisherman with a name like that. Dropping some eggs. They're setting up right here to spawn, so that's going to happen some. Yeah, she's got a pretty nice fish. May not be huge, but oh, come off right at the top. Yep, that'd been a good cooler fish right there. Yeah, he's got a pretty decent one on here. Another one's got his rod bent pretty good. So, doesn't seem to be a huge fish, but it'll be a nice one anyway. He's got one on behind me too. Got one on back here. She can probably lift hers in. I'll go ahead and net this one. Hey, he's got a big one on here. Yeah. Because there's a name like Scotty, he's got to be a good fisherman.
Give him all the good days.
Yeah, there's another real nice one. That's 7 or 8 pounds. It's a good fish. A little better than some of the little ones we were getting. All those little ones are going to taste really good though. Got a good one on here. And it just hammered that thing when it took it. She had that rod sitting in the rod holder, and I think it was pulling drag right out of the rod holder. Yeah, that's a good fish. Put it up here one more time, then I gotta go get the net. There he is. It's a good fish here, about 7 pounds. It's a good solid fish. Gave her a good fight. She's tearing them up back here. She's getting all the big ones. They got one biting that one too, though. Did you get him? Nah. Nah, he was trying to get himself caught. That's a good eater there. There's another one coming in. Yeah, sandwich size. She's on one again. She's keeping you fed. That's a nice one. That's a nice cat. Now we got us a double going. Two of them fighting fish side by side there. She got hers in the boat. His is not sure how big his is going to be. It kind of quit fighting on him when he quit reeling, but starting to fight again. It's a decent sized fish. Big enough, I'll probably need the net for it. Yeah, try to get a up. There we go. There we go. It's a decent sized fish. Yeah, we got some more action in the back of the boat. Oh, a big one just jumped out there. Yeah. I don't know if you showed up on camera or not, but there's a big catfish jumped out there. These cats jump a lot here.
Are they after bait?
I think they're after bait fish. Shad and stuff. Yeah. That one will taste good. Just dropped that one in the boat, and there's two more hooked up here, and this looks like a good one here. That one's still dangling from the line over here. He's trying to get it off, but we got two here. That's a big one there. This one's pretty nice sized. Yeah, he can probably lift that one in. This one here I'm going to have to net, so I'll grab the net for this one. Yeah, she's on again. I like to watch those survival shows where the people slowly starve to death because they can't catch a fish. I don't think she'd have any trouble. She's doing just fine. She'd be eating good. Yeah, those survival shows, they wouldn't want to film one of those here. People would be gaining weight. Nobody'd want to go home. Just like that, she's back on another one. Yeah, she'd be feeding the whole tribe. Yeah, she's back on one again. They brought a big cooler, but it just about got it filled up. They still got about an hour to fish. Well, that's a nice one there. That looks like a good one. You might want to step up in front of the boat, though. Can't see him yet. You need the net? Nah. Just a nice fish. She is on again. Yeah. Nice eater there. She's feeding the family. She got her another one. They must just be stacked up right there where she's casting because she's been on them. Her arms would be tired time she goes home. Another good sized fish too, size that squirrel. Yeah, out the net this one. That's a nice little fish there, little boy. We got had a double. It's another real nice fish. Looks like a pretty nice one there. Another one, size we've been catching, just a real nice sized cat. Got another one here in the back. They've got an hour left in their trip, and they brought a great big cooler. It's full, and we're releasing everything now. Got a decent fish on, I think. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Yeah. Just a lot of them that size. Just perfect eaters, but we've run out of room, so they're all going back now. That's yeah. She's just pulling them in. I think she got another pretty good one on here. She's been wearing them out today. Next group, I've taken somewhere else. She'll already have this spot fished out. Now we got a double going right here. Triple, got the one up the front. Yeah, pretty nice one up there in the front. I think we got a big one on here. They got a couple nice ones here. They grabbed the net. It's our last double back here. One of them sprung a leak, so we're going to put it in the cooler. The other one's going to go back.